Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing very healthy, tasty, easy, simple bread toast ideas that can be made in just 5 minutes as breakfast during busy mornings or as evening tea time snack or as a mid-meal snack for any age group, or even we can pack this in lunch box for kids along with some fruit, and believe me, this would be kids' favorite dish. By the way, if you're new here, please consider subscribing our channel for more healthy recipes. To start with first recipe, here I measured 1/4 cup of jowar flour and I added 1/3 cup of curd or yogurt, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Now add around 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, tomato, grated carrot, bell pepper, and around half teaspoon of cilantro. Now mix everything by adding water gradually. And this way, gradual adding of water allows us to know the correct consistency of the batter. Here you can see it is not too thick nor thin. Now take a bread slice and apply butter on both sides. Here I used multigrain bread. You may use any bread that is available to you. Now toast the bread on one side and then flip to the other side. Now on the toasted side, apply the batter that is prepared. Here you can see I am applying the batter on this fried side. Here in this batter we used jowar or sorghum flour as it is easily digestible millet and gluten free and can pacify the vata and kapha dosha according to Ayurveda. After applying the batter on both the bread slices, add half a teaspoon of melted butter or ghee and flip to the other side and allow them to fry on low to medium flame. As jowar flour is loaded with protein, dietary fiber, calcium, iron, this is an ideal cereal in Weight Watchers diet and also it helps in regulating diabetes. Here you can see our bread toast is well fried. Now transfer to the serving plate. Now for the second recipe of the bread toast, I measured 1/4 cup of besan or gram flour or chickpea flour and add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, grated carrot, half a teaspoon of tomatoes, bell pepper slices, half a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. Now mix all the ingredients very well with water. Chickpea flour or besan is gluten free and is full of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants with very less calories and with a low glycemic index of 6, which is why it regulates blood sugar levels. Now apply butter on both sides of the bread slice. Now toast the bread slice and flip to the other side. Apply the prepared batter on the toasted side. Here you can see I flipped the bread slices and I am applying the batter on the toasted side. Here in this recipe for each type of bread toast, I am showing the ingredients measurements for 2 bread slices. Now add half a spoon of melted butter or ghee and flip to the other side and allow them to cook on low to medium flame. Make sure to cook the toast on low to medium flame, otherwise it will be burnt without cooking inside. Here you can see this is ready, so now transfer to the serving plate. Now for the third recipe of bread toast, measure 1/4 cup of semolina or suji and add 1/3 cup of yogurt or curd, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds and 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, grated carrot, bell pepper slices, tomato, and finally cilantro. You may add any vegetable that is available. Now mix all the ingredients by adding water gradually. In all these bread toast recipes that I am showing here, we can add any vegetables like sweet corn, green peas, cabbage, beetroot, olives, anything. Now once the batter is prepared, toast the bread slices and flip to the other side, and now apply the batter on the toasted side. This would be a very healthy meal option for kids, those who are picky eaters and who doesn't want to eat vegetables, because in our recipe we had all kinds of nutrients and minerals from the vegetables, protein from the flours that we use to make the batter, and fiber from the grains that are present in the bread, as we used multigrain bread. So this is the complete meal option for all ages. Then with the third bread toast recipe, let's move on to the fourth bread toast recipe. For this, here I soaked this 1/4 cup of moong dal for about 1 hour, and after soaking for about 1 hour, transfer the moong dal to a mixie jar and add 1 green chilli, small piece of ginger. Green chilli you can add according to your spice levels, salt as per taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, and blend this into a smooth batter without adding any water, because already the moong dal is well soaked and it absorbed water, so that water is enough to grind the paste. Now to this moong dal batter, add all the vegetables and give a good mix so that vegetables combines with the batter. Here our batter is ready, so now toast the bread slices and flip to the other side. On the toasted side, apply the moong dal batter. Moong dal is an excellent source of vegetarian protein, and it makes the body feel full after eating and improves our metabolism and helps in controlling weight. Now flip to the other side and allow them to cook on low to medium flame. Here you can see this toast is well fried. Now transfer to the serving plate. With this, our fourth bread toast recipe is also done. So now let's see the fifth recipe. Measure 1 tablespoon of butter and add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped cilantro, and salt as per taste. Here I used unsalted butter, so I added salt. If you are using salted butter, you don't have to add salt. Now apply this butter to the bread slices on both sides. Once the garlic butter is applied on both sides of the bread slices, toast them and flip to the other side. After flipping to the other side, on the toasted side, spread some mozzarella cheese and allow them to cook on medium to low flame. After cooking for 2 minutes, here our garlic butter cheese toast is ready to be served. So friends, these are our 5 different types of bread toast. First one is jowar toast, second one chickpea toast, third is semolina toast, then comes the moong dal toast, and finally garlic butter cheese toast. As you saw, we made each type of bread toast recipe in just 5 minutes. They're very simple and healthy as well. So please try making them and let me know in the comment section how you liked about it. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting and healthy recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video with one more interesting recipe. Thank you.